Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how to convert your Figma design to Shopify theme. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of the steps. So first up, open your Figma website. And basically here, I'm on my untitled design. So as you can see here, and what you're going to do is basically click on this icon, which is the resources. So click on this resources, then an option shows up here. What you're going to do is go to the search box and type Shopify. So basically go to plugins and then search for Shopify. And if you want to convert it to your Shopify theme, basically go to Shopify image importer. So you just have to click on this run button. Now, once you click on run, so you can see loading Shopify, and it will show you this options here. So Shopify image importer. So import Shopify product images, then you can choose to import from a list of product page or import product images from entire collections of products. All right, so we have some options here. First is products to import. You just have to paste the product URL right over here. So just right click and then click on paste. And also here, add a Shopify collection URL. So again, paste the URL link. And then also complete the import settings here. How many products from the collection do you want to import? How many product images from each product? So I just need to complete all the fields right here. And once done, click on import. And then once you click on the import button, then basically any image or any design will from your Figma design will be exported and automatically download to your Shopify theme. So that's it. That's how you basically convert your Figma design to Shopify theme. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.